So I want to tell you about a story about things that happened quite a while back. A few years back, we were staying on a farm, and one night, round about, if I remember correctly, it was 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. We were awoken by the sound of breaking glass. Just having woken up, the immediate reaction was that, well, there's a problem, and we have to take care of the problem now. First actions was my wife then took cover, protecting our little son, our older son. He was at about 2 years old at that stage, so she was protecting him. I immediately opened up the safe, got our firearms out, handed her firearm, while I took my firearm and started going through the house, to check if everything was safe. After a long time, we managed to get through the whole house, because it was a big house. I checked everything and everywhere, couldn't find anything, and then just to make double sure, I checked the windows again to make sure that no window was broken. Fortunately, nothing happened. It actually turned out that night there was actually one of the keys, the bunch of keys, that fell into an empty trash can, a metal trash can, and that actually sounded like breaking glass. So the reason I'm telling you this story is not to tell you that you must watch out for breaking glass, and then it turned out not to be breaking glass. The reason why I'm telling you this is that we had a plan, and we implemented that plan immediately when there was a problem.